Oh wow. He's oh wow. I'm crying. Oh
Thank you, Joe. Hi.
hello. Where are you from? Where are you from?
England.
England. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country, beautiful country, Bangladesh? Next to India, close to India.
Yeah.
Okay. Recently, have you lost a game? That are you crying?
Yeah.
Okay. Already I have followed you. Already followed you. Basically, what do you do? What is your profession? Your profession.
I'm just a full-time mum at the moment.
Okay. Thank you. Basically, I'm a private teacher. I'm private teacher.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, what time is it now in England? What time?
Yeah. 16 minutes past 1 in the morning.
Okay, just here in our country, Bangladesh, 6:17 a.m. early in the morning. 6:17 a.m. very early in the morning. And basically, this is
Yeah,
our
I should be asleep by now, but
yeah. This is our local area. Basically, I am outside home. Just I am outside home. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh.
yeah, it's very pretty.
Okay. Actually,
Can hear the birds singing.
how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you pass your every single day?
Uh, I clean and take my kids to school and then pick them up. Most of the day.
Okay. Basically, I pass most of the free time by teaching my students and talking to each other. I practice English in this platform. I am interested to learn British English. Basically, what is the difference between American English and British English? How many difference? Please explain.
It's quite different because we all speak differently.
Just British English is difficult,
We've got different words.
or American English is difficult, which is very difficult to pronunciation.
Um, American and our English, they call certain things in a different way that we do.
Okay, thank you. Basically, uh, do you live in capital city London? Nearest London, do you live in London?
No, I don't live near London.
Okay. Basically, I live in our capital city, Bangladesh, Dhaka. Our capital city named Dhaka. Do you know Dhaka?
I've probably learnt about it.
Oh, just do you?
I haven't been to school in years.
Oh, okay. Just do you like to use tattoo? Do you like to use tattoo? It is your favorite hobby? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I like that.
Nice. Thank you. Especially, uh, I am very interested and I am very interested to learn from you. Spoken English. Spoken English is important. Grammar is important for learning spoken English. Grammar is important for learning spoken English. Please suggest me.
Thank you, Joe.
Yeah?
Sorry, I'm just thanking people.
Oh, you are giving me over pressure, overpower. Just I am narrow. You are giving over pressure. I think that
Or
you will win. You will win this. Oh, wow! I am crying. Oh,
thank you, Joe.
please give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes.